Good
Okay, thank
afternoon,
you.
sir.
And tell me, firstly, okay, let me ask Ritu. Ritu, what was the last sentence? Okay, Renu, you tell.
Okay, sir, I'm
Sir,
telling you.
okay.
Renu,
He,
go ahead.
I want to go.
Renu, you tell me. Thank you, Ritu. Mute yourself.
Sir,
One minute.
actually, what you have asked, your voice was not audible to me. But if
Okay,
you have asked yesterday's interactive sentence, then I can tell.
please tell.
Okay. Last interactive sentence. What time? कितने बजे? नहीं
Thank
नहीं.
you.
No, 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 no.
Aparna, can you tell me?
So the
You
last
know what?
interactive sentence was, you know what?
You know what? Yeah.
Okay. Sarik, what is the meaning of you know what?
So the meaning of you know what is pata.
Very nice, Poonam. Very good. Renuka, what was the last idiom?
Uh, he left. He left. No stone unturned.
Very good. Thank you. Sarika, can you tell me what was the last idiom?
Sir, the last idiom was he left no stone unturned.
That's like a good girl. रेनुका सुना उत्तर कैसे देते हैं बेटा?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So can you tell me what was the last idiom?
You're mute.
Unmute yourself. You are mute.
The last idiom was he left no stone unturned.
Okay, thank you. And who is the rest जिससे मैंने एक भी क्वेश्चन ना पूछा हो? Is anybody
पूनम.
rest?
नहीं पूनम.
पूनम से पूछ लिया. Is anybody rest to whom I did not ask any question? Okay, I asked all.
Nobody is
Think
rest.
all are done.
Okay. Okay, Aparna, can you tell me what is the Hindi meaning of he left no stone unturned?
The Hindi meaning of uh, idiom, he left no stone unturned, is उसने कोई भी कसर नहीं छोड़ी.
Very nice. Thank you. Ritu, uh, कुछ नए लोग भी बैच में आ रहे हैं और अगर हम एक प्रॉपर फॉर्मेट को फॉलो करते हैं तो उनको जल्दी सीखने मिलेगा और अच्छे से सीखने मिलेगा. And do you know, ladies, I know that interactive sentence and that idiom. I know whatever I gave you, I know. But I want to take it out of your mouth with a proper process. Okay, uh, you must have seen the blackboard. Here is one more Hindi meaning of you know what. Sarika, please read this Hindi.
You know what? पता क्या हुआ?
बस
अपर्णा
सभी
जी.
लोगों ने सुन लिया होगा. नहीं 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 नहीं, किसी को और रिपीट नहीं करना है दोस्तों. अ, दोस्तों आज एक कुछ नया गेम खेले क्या?
यस सर, कल तो हालत खराब हो गई थी. मजा आया, लेकिन वी हैड फन. वी हैड फन
ओके
यस्टरडे.
ओके. अ, तो आज के गेम का नाम रख देते हैं अ, Can anybody? Renu, can you read this?
Say bakwas. Just nonsense.
I forgot the spelling of. Poonam will tell me the spelling of sense.
Sir, the spelling of sense is SENSE.
Thank you, Poonam, but your voice was chopping, so I'm asking the same question to Renuka.
SENC.
Sarika.
SENSE.
Aparna.
SENSE. Sense.
Renuka has told. Who is the rest? Renu.
Sir, I am
Yes,
rest.
sir.
And okay, you tell me spelling of nonsense.
SENSE.
अच्छा, ये गूगल ने ये बीच में नहीं लगाया, पूरा एक टाइप करके दिया यहाँ. I have just seen.
NONSENSE. Nonsense.
Nonsense. Google is typing. Okay, so चलो शुरू करते हैं नॉनसेंस. इसमें आप ग्रामर के हिस्से को थोड़ा सा भूल भी सकते हैं दोस्तों. आज आपको इतने सारे चैप्टर दे दिए हैं जिसमें आप इंग्लिश में पूरी बात कर सकते हैं दोस्तों. तो ये एक तरह से उसी का एक प्रैक्टिकल अनुभव लेते हैं अपन, है ना. तो हम शुरुआत करते हैं, फिर उसके बाद उसको ध्यान से सुनिएगा. यू नो व्हाट गाइस, और ये उस पे भी आधारित है जो रीडिंग पेज हमने उस दिन दिया था ना, कि बोलचाल में बीच बीच में कुछ वाक्य आते हैं जिनका अपने आप में कोई अर्थ नहीं है, उस पे भी आधारित है. ठीक है. ओके. यू नो व्हाट गाइस, what happened one day, you know, it's a long time back when I was young. Young means maybe I was 16 or 17. I didn't know, 18 or 19. So I was young and I was just growing. So it was my period of youth. I was, you can say, I was enjoying my youth. Youth, that is Yuvavastha. Or so, you know what happened. I was standing in the veranda, and it was raining, and firstly it was slow, later on it was raining cats and dogs, and I was just watching outside from my veranda, the courtyard, you can say, and sometimes people say porch where you can park your car. So I saw there was a balcony far from my house. A girl was standing over there watching me. The girl was not so beautiful, not so appealing, or not so pretty, but you know, guys, this is a human nature. The God made two genders, male and female. So, as I saw her seeing me as I watched her watching me, uh, a natural process occurred. So I could not stop watching her. I wanted to confirm she's watching me or something else or somebody else. So I saw her again in the particular direction, and suddenly somebody called me from the inside, maybe my mom or my sis or bro. I went inside, and there was a little job. I did it. I came out to confirm that what does the God want. So I saw that girl was still standing in the balcony. And gradually the rain became hard and harder and hardest. It was really cats and dogs. But she was standing in the balcony and she was getting wet because in the balcony there was no shade, you know. So I also started watching, looking at her. The natural process was on between the two genders, and she. But I was not having any kind of experience of this kind of thing, so I was little afraid, and I could not watch. I could not look at her for a long time. You can say I was coward or I was not having the dare to see what is happening. And meanwhile, again, somebody called from inside, maybe my mom or my sister, my friend. I went inside. It was still raining, cats and dogs. I went inside. There was a job to do, and I was doing that job. I was busy doing that job for I think 1 hour or half an hour. I really don't remember it all. So after finishing the job, I went to courtyard again, to the veranda again, to the porch. I saw that girl is still standing over there, getting so totally wet. I thought to myself, I am good for nothing. She is getting wet, and I am standing under the shade. I was in the condition to what to do, not to do. But the girl was still standing, and now it was confirmed that she was watching me. So I, I was afraid, a kind of afraid, and I could not take any decision. And it was raining very hard, but she was still standing over there watching and watching and watching. I could not uh, dare like that girl, so I entered the house, and after some time the rain stopped. By the evening, it was, I think, the evening, but there was still light in the sky, a dim light in the sky. I came out and I saw there in the balcony the girl was not there. The balcony was empty. The second day I saw again the balcony. The balcony was empty. There was nobody. The third day, the fourth day, 15 day, the 30th of the January, the balcony was empty, there was nobody. And suddenly on the 31st of January, I came out of my house. I saw at the balcony. And you know what, guys? The balcony was empty. And I heard a song, somebody was playing black kind of deck. Earlier there used to be black deck, human made, assembled deck. A very far away, a distance noise came to me, a voice came to me, and it was ding 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 ding. मेरा जीवन कोरा कोरा ही रहे. And that's all. Bakwas is over.
Wow. Very nice bakwas है ना.
Guys, you may be thinking that 31st of January is a big day, right? Suddenly I came out and on 31st of January, the balcony, but it was empty. See guys, happy ending is the funda of only Bollywood movies. Life is not really happy ending. But I think I should say life is really happy ending. When the life ends of the person, so the person who ends his life, he is out of the world, he's totally free like a bird. But the people around him are sorry and sad. But the soul is now free. So really, I think it is really happy ending. So it was the bakwas, and now.
I thought, sir, she was Kalpana Bhabhi.
Oh. Actually, my sasral is in Jhansi, and Jhansi is not so near that I could see the balcony.
Okay.
See, Albert Einstein said, ज्ञान से कहीं अधिक महत्वपूर्ण है परिकल्पना. और रितु का ये कमेंट सुन के हमें बड़ी खुशी हुई कि आप इन्वॉल्व हो गए थे. You were involved. जबकि it was a bakwas dictionary, bakwas. So please do not ask me any question. Now, who is ready to
Sir, I
share
am
the
ready.
bakwas? Sarika said first. Okay, go
Okay,
ahead.
thank you, sir. You know what? I am living nowadays. I am living in a very big troop of monkeys. So they are living in our society terrace, in our building terrace, and actually they are coming. They come National Park, Sanjay Gandhi National Park. Ritu di, you know na Sanjay Gandhi National Park, Borivali.
Yeah, I know.
So, it is nearby our home. So, they come from there, and you know what? They are they are fond of living with us because they are, monkeys are nakalchi. I don't know what is the English word for nakalchi. That's why I'm saying nakalchi. Huh?
Copier.
Copier. Okay. So you know they are copier. One day, I would like to share one incident. One day when I was attending the class and my son was taking his meal and my husband was busy with his call. So I always remain my windows closed all the time. Whenever I remain at kitchen in the kitchen, but only this time I open my kitchen window. Otherwise, I prefer to close the windows. But because of hurry, maybe so maybe Bhabhi has sent a URL, so I immediately wanted to join the class, so I couldn't close the window properly, and I was sitting in room while attending the class. Where my son was taking his meal, and one monkey has come in my window, and he has he nowadays he is capable to open window, means like sliding. They can open the window if door is not locked. So maybe that day door was not locked, and he has opened the um, window, and he was trying to come inside the kitchen, and suddenly my utensil, maybe mixer grinder, jar mixer grinder was there, so it fallen down, and my son immediately entered the kitchen because of the noise, and he saw one big monkey with his little one monkey. They were trying to enter our kitchen window. So he screamed loudly, and later on, my husband and I both entered the kitchen, and both the monkeys scared of us, and I also scared of them. So he ran away, and thought ki, oh my God, it is really scary thing ki they can capable to they can open the kitchen window as well. So that day I was very scared, and I always check my kitchen window and my all the doors properly after this happening. But you know what? Actually, they are very means they are animals, hungry people, hungry animals, and they always wander to search for searching food. So means we can help them, we can feed them, but I start feeding them na. They come regularly, and it is very scary, because when they play outside, or when they run here and there, jump here and there on the tree, so they look very nice. But if they try to enter our home na, so this thing is really scary. And nowadays I experience this thing. I always, whenever I entered the kitchen, so I always check ki somebody is means some any monkey is here or not. Means it's my nowadays it's I'm facing this problem, because I'm really, whenever they outside, so I enjoy to see them, I enjoy to I enjoy to their. I enjoy to play. Uh, I enjoy to see them while playing.
You're jumping.
So this is, huh? Jumping or
You enjoy
whatever
enjoyed it.
they do na. So I enjoy to watch them actually. Uh, sir, there.
Wow. I used to listen this story every day by her
Now who
mom.
is ready?
I'm ready, sir.
Okay, go ahead.
You can visible my son behind me. I'm going to tell about him. Actually, one day what happened, guys, uh, I was working at my kitchen, and after some time, um, I spilled some namak on the floor, and suddenly I started angry with myself and my family, and after that, what happened? My roti burn. I have burnt my roti as well. So it what happened with me? I don't know. This is happened with everybody and every ladies in a while in a month. Ki we show our angerness in the while the sometimes in with family, and um, you share this thing with your family because you cannot do anything on you. It is we can not help it. And what happened, my husband came in the kitchen and he asked what happened. Actually, he did not ask. He was calm, and he was showing, and he was revealing that she is angry. So she remained calm and watching me doing anything. I did not say anything. After some time, I started crying. And when I started crying, and my son came to me and see what happened with Mama and what is she doing, why is she crying? So, but he was disappeared from there. Ki Mama will scold him, so he disappeared from there in my kitchen. And when I completed crying and having meal with my family and my husband and the son, so I disclosed this thing. When I kept myself calm, and I this my shared this thing. It whatever happen is for it is happy, मतलब जो होता है अच्छे के लिए होता है. और I said कि it has been I cried because otherwise I will scold you. I said this thing to my son कि if I did not cry na, I will definitely scold you. So my son said, thank you mama, आपने रो दिया, otherwise I will be scolded by you. So this happened with me that day कि everything happened just because of God. If you are not crying and you are showing your anger with your family, it is harmful for everybody if you are showing your anger. If you cry instead of anger, so everything solved. It happened with me. Okay.
Thank you, Aparna. Now who is ready?
Sir, I am ready.
Go ahead,
Definitely.
Renu. Later on, Renuka.
Yeah. Thank you, sir. You know what, guys? Actually, when we was very small, so that time my father he was posted in Delhi. So there, my mom, what she does, she make us ready. Three of us. I have two brothers, and I am a single sister of them. So we three, she used to make us ready first, and she always say, go to that front, matlab in front of our house. Some friends of her is living, so she sent us to their house, and meanwhile she uh, finish all her household chores. So it happened like that कि uh, one day after some days we are like every day we go there, and this happens मतलब it goes on happening कि भाई it happens like that. So meanwhile बीच में क्या हुआ, what happened कि my mausi got married, and she is married in Punjab, but she has gone to her husband, he is living in England. So we all went to the airport to send off her. So then we return home, and after few days, after some days, this routine goes on. Ki bhai mama used to send her to her friend, one of her friends. So one day, what happened? You know what happened? Ki mama, after half an hour, she finished all her household chores, and she went there and asked कि Ritu, where is my kids? तो बोले कि no, they are not here. बोले नहीं, you must have hided them. So no, don't be kidding, don't kid with me, I have sent them. बोले नहीं, no, they are not there. So my mother was like, she was shocked कि कहाँ गए तीनों के तीनों, all of three are like missing. So they started searching for us, and seriously it was informed in our campus area, and each and every person, like a whole camp, matlab, three kids are kidnapped altogether. So means like a big issue was there, so everybody is like very worried, and it was informed to my father also. He also came running and all together to home, and they are like mummy is sitting, and all the friends of my papa, they are coming and asking where all you go. So whatever she is telling, na, one by one of uncle, they are going here, there, all the places where we used to go. Then after 2-3 hours, they that came to their mind, my mother's mind, कि we went once to airport, so we are not getting our children anywhere. Let's see कि let's find there. So we have gone to bus stand, and मतलब earlier, so they have searched us in the bus stand, but we are so small, means my brother are like two and a half years, 2 or 3 years old, and I was like 1.5 year old. So we are like in Delhi bus stand. How we went there, we don't know. So we are like trying to चढ़ना बोलेंगे ना, we want trying to climb the stairs of the bus. We are so small that we could not climb, get into the bus. So yeah, so one of the uncle find us कि भाई they are all safe, and they brought us home. So they have not scolded us and just asked कि कहाँ जा रहे थे, where you all were going. My elder brother, he is like my both the brothers are twins. So he replied कि we are going to Mausi ji's place, so to the England. So we have sent her to मतलब एयरपोर्ट, वो प्लेन में छोड़ के आए थे. So I am taking my sister and brother to her. So this happened, and you know what, it was so scary, but but it's a God grace, and it is all my parents punya. My like my parents na, they totally believe on God, and my father, he is like worships a lot, and he is like doing kind things to other, always he is into that. So it is all due to his good karmas, and they have done a very big bhandara after that. So they are so happy and so blessed ki we got our 3 kids. So this happened, and after that some years, matlab 2-3 years back, what happened, you know what happened, we have gone to our nani's place in Punjab. So we all the kids were playing there, so we were also playing there with our all cousins. So actually earlier it was in the trend na कि छुट्टियां होती थी whenever the holidays started. So all the parents took their children to their nani's place. So we also went. So we were playing there, and my mamaji and all, they were sitting in front shop, and back there it is like godowns. So wheat sacks the bore jo bolte hain, it is sacks, no? So wheat sacks was kept there. So we are playing there, all the cousins, and one drum of what drum? Drum of सरसों का तेल का drum. What is that? I don't remember. Mustard oil drum was kept there. So to hide ourselves, we have to put one foot on that drum, and then only we can go back to hide. So all went. Just I kept my foot on the drum. I just fell inside. So I was like so small. So my brothers, they are like pulling me, mama ji, some Renu डूब गई, तेल के ड्रम में डूब गई. तो I was like बहुत ज़्यादा, it was like horrible. And my mama ji came and he ऐसे निकाला उन्होंने, and he came and he took me. Actually there is like वो जो गाय भैंसे को नहलाते हैं ना, there is a place in that area. So it is middle. We have to cross that and we have to go other side. So it is like mandi, Gol mandi. It is like that. So he took me. He took me to where my mama was. So I told my mama कि no, I will not go home. I want to क्या बोलते take bath here. बोले गैया भैंसा के साथ नहाओगे? Well, yes, I will. I will bath here. I will not go home. So mommy will scold me. So, and my sleepers all went into that mustard oil drum. And now itself they always ask me, नहाना है गैया भैंसों के साथ? So it all happened. It is a younger day kahaniya, so stories. Yeah, that's all, sir.
Thank you, Renu. Now it's Renuka's go.
Hello everyone. It's a story when I was almost 10 or 11 years old. So my mom, she used to grow vegetable in plot beside my house. And my father was a businessman. He was in publication business. So we had a printing press. So many workers were working there. So moms used to grow carrot, potato, cucumber, pumpkin, uh, coriander leaves, so many things. So she really worked very hard to grow the vegetables and sometimes pulses also. One goat, he always entered into the my mom's so-called field and ate all the leaves of the plants. So my mom always covered the entrance. We had a two entrance. One first entrance from my house, and other was from roadside. And mom covered that all the entrance with the bamboo sticks, and so the god couldn't come inside. But God was so sharp, so intelligent, I can tell you. And by hook by crook, she entered in my mom's field. and my mom was so depressed, so disappointed, because her all effort was uh, going in when, everything was so, whatever she did there, everything was so spoiled by the god. So one day she made a plan, and we were the army of my mom. Like my mom was very smart. She used to collect, you know, गली के बच्चों को used to collect, and she kept on instructing. So, and we are the farmer of my mom's, little farmers, and we really enjoyed that time, because 10 and 12 kids were there, and they helped my mom to grow vegetable, and every time she gave us reward. So we were our army of her. So she planned with her army कि this time we are not going to let the goat from the field. So she hid herself, and she was waiting for the god, and so we were. So God was so punctual. See, she came into the field, and as usual, she started grazing. The leaves of plant. So as she came, we all ran after her, and she was so sharp, and she ran so fast, all the ground, and we all are running behind her. Even but finally we caught her, because we didn't left no stone unturned. Once once we caught her, so we were so tired, and somewhere we are got hurt. Got hurt also, but my mom was so happy. She tied a goat uh, with the window grill, and she planned that the owner of the goat will come, and she will teach her lesson. She planned. So, and she waited almost 5 to 6 hours to teach the lesson to that poor fellow. So the owner of the goat, he came into my place, and he requested to my mom कि बकरिया दे देऊ ना. No, so and as he said बकरिया दे देऊ ना, my mom started, and she was full of whatever she had inside. She just spilled that the poor fellow. So why can't you tie your? So you should tie your goat to your home. I grow vegetable for your goat only. What such type of things she kept on until 1 hour. She kept on yelling on that poor fellow. So last my father and my mama, they requested to my mom that leave it, let it be. So my mom said okay. So that mom said okay, go and take your goat. The person come to the goat, and he said ये मेरी बकरी नहीं है. this is not my goat. And as he said, this is not my goat, we all are so disappointed. Oh my God! Now we don't know what is going to be happen again. So my mom frustration all came out, and without any he heard a lot, and he went out. So after half an hour, the real owner of the goat, he came inside, and he said, my mom, कि बकरियां दे दूं ना, तो my mom said okay लेके जाओ. Whatever tension she had, she all spilled on that uh, poor fellow who was not owner of the sea. So still we have remember that the story, and whenever we used to laugh at my mom. Now she is no more. Last year she died, but when she was alive, we always used to tell this story, and she laughed, and we always say that "वो कितना बदुआ लगा होगा आपको उसका." So this is all about.
Thank you, Renuka. Now, who is ready?
Ready.
Okay, Poonam, good.
This is the my childhood incidents when I was 5 years old, and my brother, who was 7 year old, he's 2 years older than me. We have joint family. My father are six brothers, and my father is eldest from all his brother and sister. So my brother and me are eldest in all my cousins. So that time my real sisters and my other cousins were very small. So all the work, small works of a house, we both did that time, my brother and me. So for milk, we one by one we went to uh, buy the milk by one by one. One day my brother went for that milk, and one day I went for that milk. And my two uncles who were in college. So my brother and me both were very small. So we saw that some Holika Dahan was going on. So we did not understand what is going on. So what we did, we collect my uncle's novels and magazines all, and we burned them as holy. So my mother and my dadi all were scolded my brother and me. And every time my brother whenever we both went to school also together. My school was nearby our home, so we went by walk there. And my brother always got late for going to school every day. So when it's winter season, first he got ready to my mother that tomorrow I won't take bath before going to school. I will take after the school. Then my mother said, no, you have to took bath first. Then no, he said, no, I will take after school. Then my mother frustrated from him, and he said, okay, you go school first, then after school you come for you take bath. Then what he did, at night he wore his uniform in blankets, and uh, in blanket he slept with his uniform. And in the morning, whenever I woke up earlier than him, and anytime I was ready and he was in deep sleep. Then did like all this, that he wore his uniform at night. So he wore his uniform in night. So these small things which we did in our childhood. And what happened in one day, what happened, we both were going by cycle to my friend's house. And in his bicycle. I had wear that time salwar suit with dupatta, and my dupattas like uski cycle में फंस गया. Then I started crying, and he said, don't, why are you crying, why are you crying? But I never listened to him, and I did not stop crying, and I was crying every time. I in his childhood, whatever we did, for small things I started crying, and he was always like मुझे चिढ़ाता रहता था छोटी छोटी बातों पे, and started crying. And whenever my friends came to my house for play with me or for studies, he every time windows से झांकता रहता था. And then also then that time also I scolded him, and I started crying कि why are you moving with here and there to my friends. And mm, one day what happened, we were playing, and my small sister, who was very small, she was also playing with us. But my brother and me, and with like playing with our friends, and my mother was not there. She had gone to market. So she said ki you took care of your small sister. But in playing, we forgot where is she, and what was she doing, anything. When she came from market, she said, where was your sister? Then we all started searching him here and there, where was she. But she was not looking anywhere. Then we all came to the out of house, and veranda, balconies, and in between 5 kilometers of our house, we moved here and there ki where is she. Then finally we saw that she was sleeping under the bed. That's it.
Very nice, Poonam. Thank you very much. Now, who is ready? And who is rest? I think only one is rest.
Yes, sir, I am ready.
Go ahead, be my guest.
Sir, today is my fifth birthday. This is my first bakwas, and after the class, I am going to USA. This is my second bakwas. Uh, sir, I have know so many bakwas. I am telling you one thing. Last Saturday, Indian Idol program was going on TV, and me, my husband, and my son was watching that very minutely. And that time, one first fantastic song was coming uh, on TV, Chand Sifarish Jo Karta Hamari. But I was listening very minutely, and my son also was listening very minutely. But my husband is doing some wire setting and all, So I I I told I told him, please be seated and listen carefully here. What are you doing? So he is angry, but it was Cold War, and he went from the house with my son and dog. And after some time, he came to the house and slowly asked me, "Please make a cup of tea for me." That's it.
Very good. uh, हो सकता है किसी के मन में और इच्छा हो रही हो, लेकिन फिर किसी दिन। दोस्तों, चलिए यू नो व्हाट का दूसरा प्रयोग हम वन बाय वन करते हैं। लेकिन एक एक या दो दो सेंटेंस के साथ। कुछ लोगों ने यू नो व्हाट का सही प्रयोग किया नहीं इस पूरी कहानी में। तो आई एम स्टार्टिंग विथ सारिका। बहुत बड़ा सेंटेंस नहीं बनाना। वो हिंदी याद है, नहीं तो हम अपने इसको ट्राइपॉड को वहां तक लेकर जाते हैं।
सर पता है क्या?
देख लीजिए
पता क्या
उसको।
पता क्या
हुआ?
हुआ? पता
पता
क्या हुआ?
पता क्या हुआ?
ओके सर.
ओके, गो अहेड।
You know what? Police has caught uh, a racket of robbers in my uh, my surrounding. पता है क्या हुआ? हमारे आसपास से पुलिस ने एक डकैतों के रैकेट को पकड़ा है.
गुड, नाइस।
अपर्णा दी.
You know what? Last night, Ritik Roshan came to me and he offered me a movie. And he said, would you like to act in my movie? I said, yeah, of course. Goodness and ask us. Really, Bhavi?
Yeah, you know what? My husband
Wait, let me complete the process. Otherwise, you will be you will get.
Completing the process is, I think, not required now.
Okay, sir.
Go ahead.
Okay, thank you. Okay, you know what? My husband surprisingly booked a ticket to London. So we are going to London next week. So I'm unable to attend the class for 15 days.
Oh my.
That is a great loss for me. Missing the class is a huge, very big issue for me.
Wow.
Okay, who is ready?
But you
Yeah,
should not miss
I'm
this chance. Okay.
Yeah. You know what? Yesterday I bought uh, so many plants for my terrace garden.
Next
time. Sir. You know what? Today, this morning, I did not had anything in breakfast except only one apple. So after the class, I'll have one Punjabi thali, which already has come. So
Wow, you're going to enjoy Punjabi thali today. Oh.
because I'm alone, today I'm alone in the house. So I'm enjoying this kind of.
Okay, that's why you are looking
Good.
slim. You didn't add anything.
Next
Poonam.
is Poonam.
You know what was yesterday? It was raining like cats and dogs, and it was my neighbor came to me and she said, you know, in our neighborhood one bungalow is empty, and so she said, you know what was happening there? I said, what happened there? She said there was a lady moving here and there in white sari. So my kids were with me, so they they afraid of all that. They scared and they started crying. Then what happened? We have a joint family, so my co-sisters children also came to me. What happened? Then my children told them all that ki what happened. One lady is moving here and there in that empty house. So our all children got afraid of that incident, and we called their father to their shop. Then they also said ki you sit with your children, don't leave them alone because they all are scared. So all children sat with us on table, and we all co-sisters also sat with them, and we all started, you know what happened then. Our kids said, no, today you won't make dinner also, you sit with only us. And you know what, after what happened, my husband came earlier from his time. And you know what, after that we all started worshipping God for that. Ki, Bhutni is beside our house. And finally in the morning we know all these were bakwas, just nonsense.
So this is your sentence.
हाँ, ये छोटा सा सेंटेंस बनाने को बोला था हमने। दोस्तों, हमने कुछ चीजें लिख ली थी आपके बोलने के दौरान, तो हम पूछते जाते हैं आपको मिली है कि नहीं। हैव आई गिवन यू वर्ब फॉर बेकार होना?
No, sir.
Sir, you
No,
haven't
sir.
given work for बेकार होना.
पूनम, अब जरा ध्यान से सुनना, हम जिस तरह से पूछते हैं और जिस तरह से ये बच्चे उत्तर देते हैं उसको ध्यान से सुनना। रितु, व्हाट शुड बी द वर्ब फॉर बेकार होना, हो जाना?
The verb should be बेकार हो the verb बेकार होना should be useless.
चलो एक बार इतना तो हमारे साथ बोल ही दो। The verb
बेकार
for
the verb for
बेकार हो जाना
बेकार हो जाना
should be, that's all. Does anybody know? Please tell me, I will ask her.
The verb.
Sir, the
can I
verb-
try?
Okay, Di.
I'm guessing the verb for बेकार हो जाना should be spoil, spilled.
Good. Sarika, thank you. Mute yourself, Aparna. Sarika?
The verb for bekar ho jana should be waste.
Good. Thank you. Renuka?
The verb should the verb for bekar ho jana should be useless.
Thank you. Mute yourself. अरे यार, एक मिनट रुकिएगा। हाँ, म्यूट करके सुनिएगा। रेणुका, यूजलेस वर्ब हो ही नहीं सकता। अब जरा क्रिया को, संज्ञा को, विशेषण को पहचानने की ओर फोकस बढ़ाओ अपना। ये बेसिक चीजें अगर नहीं पहचानोगी तो वाक्य में आप गलत शब्द रख के गड़बड़ करेंगे। रेनू इज रेस्ट, आई थिंक। रेनू?
Sir, the verb for bekar ho jana should be get waste.
Very nice. Thank you. Mute yourself. Poonam? What should be the verb for bekar ho jana?
The verb for bekar ho jana is get spoiled.
Okay, तो इसको लिखिएगा go in vain. दोस्तों, हमें वेन की स्पेलिंग में थोड़ा डाउट है, आप चेक करके व्हाट्सएप में कंफर्म कीजिएगा। चलिए हम पूछते हैं। सबसे पहले ऋतु से सामने लिखिए, लेकिन ऋतु क्योंकि इस वाक्य को अभी तक सही नहीं बोल पा रही, इसलिए हम उसी से पूछते हैं। उत्तर यहाँ लिखा है ऋतु। What should be the verb for बेकार हो जाना?
The verb for बेकार हो जाना should be go in vain.
Thank you.
We
अब हम पूछते हैं रेणुका, what should be the second form of go in vain?
The second form of verb should be went in vain.
बोलो, the second form
The second form
of
of
go in vain
go in vain for waste should be went in vain.
Repeat your answer, please.
The second form of verb go in when should be went in when.
थैंक यू। अब रेणुका, क्या आप पूनम से क्वेश्चन कर सकती हैं? अगला प्रश्न जो होना चाहिए।
Poonam, what should be the third form of go in when?
वेरी नाइस।
Renuka, the third form of go in when is gone in when.
दोस्तों, आप देख रहे हैं कि पूनम को इस लगाने की आदत है, तो हम स्पष्ट कर देते हैं। पूनम, जब तक हमने कोई चीज लिखवाई नहीं है तब तक हम शुड में इसलिए पूछते हैं कि वहां उसका अर्थ होता है क्या होना चाहिए। मीन्स इट इज अ पार्ट ऑफ योर गैसिंग, you are not sure because I have not given it to you. But after giving it to you, I ask the question in be present. What is the verb for jana? What is the verb for आना? तो जो दे दिया है उसको हम इस लगा के पूछते हैं पूनम। ओके, यहाँ हमने एक और वाक्य लिख के रख दिया था याददाश्त के लिए। आई थिंक आई हैव गिवन इट टू यू। वह फंस गया है या ऐसा कुछ। हैव आई गिवन यू?
He is
Yes,
tied
sir,
up.
you have given. He is fixed.
He is tied up.
ही
Fix
इज
up.
टाइड अप, और उसका हिंदी व्हाट्सअप कर देना। हमें नाम याद नहीं है किसी को, वो बन नहीं रहा था बोलते समय अपनी स्टोरी। और इस बहाने एक चीज और अपनाइए दोस्तों, जब हम आपको तात्कालिक 3 का दंड देते हैं इसी दौरान, गूगल मीट के दौरान, तो आप प्लीज अपने उन पन्नों को पलटिए और कोशिश कीजिए कि वो इंटरेक्टिव और इडियम आप दंड में बोले जो अनटच्ड है, अछूते हैं। रेणुका, प्लीज म्यूट योरसेल्फ। थैंक यू। तो हम इस वाक्य को मिटा दे रहे। याददाश्त के लिए हमने लिखा था वह फंस गया है। आई हैव गिवन यू गॉन इन वी। ओके, जो भी स्पेलिंग हो आप देख लीजिएगा। अपर्णा शायद VAIN बता रही थी।
सर VAIN ही होती है वेन की स्पेलिंग।
चलो ठीक है, तो हम इसको A कर देते हैं, VAIN। और कंफर्म कर लीजिएगा और शेयर जरूर कीजिएगा व्हाट्सएप में ताकि हम भी इसको कंफर्म कर लें। अब हम रेनू से पूछते हैं, बहुत देर से उससे सवाल नहीं किया। व्हाट शुड बी द वर्ब फॉर विदा करना?
Sir, the verb for vida karna should be vida karna. See off.
ओके, अब रेनू आप अगला सवाल किसी और का नाम लेके कीजिए जो हम करते थे। अब आप लोग आगे बढ़िए।
Aparna, what should be the second form of see off?
Abhi, second form of see off. The verb of second form of see off should be saw off. Sarika, what should be the third form of see off?
The third form of see off should be seen off.
थैंक यू। अब अगला सवाल सारिका तुम्हें करना है, लेकिन 1 मिनट जरा हम ये कंफर्म कर लें। वह डर गई है या मैं डर गया हूं, ऐसा कोई वाक्य दिया है आप? ओके, तो अभी हम इसको मिटा, हाँ ठीक है, मिटाते नहीं है। पहले आगे बढ़ते। व्हाट शुड बी द वर्ब फॉर वाहन पर चढ़ना? हैव आई गिवन यू और नॉट फर्स्टली टाइम?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. You have already given.
What is the verb?
Get on. Sir, the verb for वाहन पर चढ़ना is get on.
देखो पूनम, इसमें जवाब दिया ना सारिका ने, क्योंकि वो मिल गई। एंड रितु, व्हाट इज द वर्ब फॉर वाहन से उतरना?
The verb for वाहन से उतरना should be get off.
वेरी नाइस। तो ये दोनों दे दी हमने, मिटा दी। अच्छा, अपर्णा और सारिका बताएंगे। हैव आई गिवन यू द वर्ब फॉर डूबना, डूब मरना एवं डूबना अलग अलग?
सर डूब मरना नहीं दिया है, दो दिए हैं। डूबना वस्तु का मीन्स
हाँ
सिंक और डूबना व्यक्ति का ड्रोन।
हाँ, तो ड्रॉ जहाँ लिखा है ना व्यक्ति का डूबना, उसके ऑब्लिक में, अभी तो रफ में लिख लो, डूब मरना भी लिख लेना ऑब्लिक का। वन अर्थात वस्तु तो मरती नहीं है, तो व्यक्ति ही डूब के अगर मर गया तो ड्रॉन ही प्रयोग होगा। चलिए, ये दोनों वर्ब आपको मिल गई है, खुशी की बात है। और दोस्तों, आज इस पूरी कथा कहानी से आप ये शिक्षा भी लीजिए कि जैसे आज हमने आपको सेंटेंस बनाने को बोला था सबको, हम सबके चेक नहीं कर पाए, केवल रेनू का फर्स्ट सेंटेंस बस चेक किया था, उसमें 2-3 गलती निकाल ली थी हिंदी में। तो इससे आपको शायद समझ में आ गया होगा रेनू कि जब हिंदी में परिवर्तन होता है वांट के साथ दूसरी क्रिया का, तो चाह की जगह चाहता था हो जाता है। कल एक्सप्लेन किया था, आपने वो गलती की, हमने बकायदा एक एक चेक करके दे दिया, भेज दिया। यू मस्ट हैव सीन, एवरीबडी मस्ट हैव सीन इट, सभी लोग देखिएगा। तो दोस्तों, आपको ये तब तक करते रहना है 12 बजे से, आप सुबह 7 बजे से कर लीजिए, आई हैव नो प्रॉब्लम। आप दिन की शुरुआत के साथ 3 सेंटेंस भेजना शुरू कीजिए और इसको खुद से तय कीजिए। रेनू, इतना ज्यादा हार्ड वर्क मत करो, जैसे ऐसा करो कि जैसे आज तुमने अफर्मेटिव भेजे तो कल इन्वर्टेड भेजो, उसके अगले दिन नेगेटिव भेजो, उसके अगले दिन WH भेजो, फिर अगले दिन दूसरा
Okay, sir.
WH, तो फिर तीसरा WH, फिर चौथा। डू इट नॉन स्टॉप। तो हमें क्या है, जांचने में भी ज्यादा लोड नहीं होगा, चेक करने में। आप एक कैटेगरी लीजिए, मान लो रितु ने आज इन्वर्टेड भेज दिया है तो कल वो अफर्मेटिव, अपने चॉइस इज योर्स, चॉइस इज योर्स, आप खुद तय करें। और अच्छे से छांट छांट के वर्ब रखें। देखिए, ये हमें क्यों लिखना पड़ा सब, क्योंकि आपकी बकवास के दौरान यू आर लैकिंग दीज वर्ड्स, आपको इसकी कमी महसूस हो रही थी। तो अच्छा, सैक रेस हम बचपन से बोलते सुनते आए हैं, इंग्लिश मीडियम में तो बोरा दौड़ होती है, तो सैक हमने लिख लिया था, लेकिन आप सबको पता होगा, हम इसको आई एम रिमूविंग इट। और एनीबडी नोस बकरी को इंग्लिश में क्या कहते
फीमेल
Sir,
गोट।
she got,
Female goat.
हैं? हाँ,
She goat. Sorry.
she got.
स्पेलिंग बताओ बेटा।
Sir, SHEGOAT.
GOAT।
रेनू, क्या तुम रेनू का सॉरी, क्या तुमने ध्यान दिया जब जब तुमने इस शब्द का उच्चारण किया तब तब गूगल ने गॉड स्पेल किया, यहाँ पे
She has
गॉड
left.
लिख के आ रहा था।
She
शी हैज
has
लेफ्ट।
Yes.
चलो, उसको ये रिकॉर्डिंग मिल जाएगी, शी विल बी एबल टू वॉच इट। तो whenever she was speaking this, her pronunciation was bad, तो वो गूगल was typing God 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 so many times। तो इससे अच्छा है जब आप इस शब्द को बोले तो पूरा बोले, ही गोट, शी गोट। आप ही और सी लगाते ही साथ आपके उच्चारण में अपने आप तब्दीली आ जाएगी। अब अनफॉर्चुनेटली शी इज नॉट हियर, नहीं तो अभी 2-3 बार प्रैक्टिस करवा ले। ओके, ही गोट एंड शी गोट। रेणुका ने एक बहुत अच्छा शब्द प्रयोग किया था, इट इज हियर। आप किसी को बेचारा बोलना चाहते हैं तो पुअर पर्सन, पुअर फेलो बोल सकते हैं। चलिए, सब लोग एक एक सेंटेंस बनाइए, सारिका से शुरू कर रहे हैं, जिसमें बेचारे का भाव आएगा, एक कोई से भी चैप्टर।
Okay, sir. My watchman is poor fellow because he can't go his native place because of his duty. मेरा वॉचमैन बेचारा है क्योंकि वो अपने घर नहीं जा सकता है, क्योंकि उसकी अपनी ड्यूटी के कारण वो अपने घर नहीं जा सकता है।
सारिका, इसको बी चैप्टर में इस तरह से प्रयोग करना बहुत प्रैक्टिकल नहीं लगा। इसको ऐसा अगर तुम बोलती, माय वॉचमैन पुअर मैन, द पुअर वॉचमैन ऑफ माय बिल्डिंग, बेचारा मेरी बिल्डिंग का वॉचमैन, ही कैन नॉट गो टू, इस तरह से प्रयोग करना अच्छा है। गॉट इट ना? Okay.
Yes, sir. So
One poor
should I
fellow
change
came
my
in.
sentence?
No,
Should
it's
I
okay.
change my sentence?
It will do. इसको एक आध टाइप करके एक दो सेंटेंस भेज देना अपर्णा।
Owner of a shop was scolding his servant, but poor fellow could not answer. एक शॉपकीपर अपने नौकर को डांट रहा था, पर बेचारा वो कुछ बोल नहीं पाया। रेणु भाभी,
these days students wants to go for their on offline classes, but poor fellow.
स्टूडेंट्स,
Okay, these days, sir, I will take singular subject. These days, Ayansh and Khushi wants to go to attend. नहीं,
दो हुए
want.
तो
Sorry, sorry.
बहुवचन
हाँ,
हो जाए।
yeah. Want to attend offline class, but poor fellow, uh, due to pandemic, they have to attend offline online classes.
फेलोज,
Fellows, yes, poor fellows, they have to attend. Now, who is ready?
I'm ready.
Yeah.
Yesterday, my dog Dodo's elbow was injured by one disease. You can say hygroma. So today I saw his elbow was open and blood is coming out. So I wash their wound with.
his
I wash his wound with betadine and apply some cream
applied.
and applied one cream. So I thought poor my Dodo is very poor fellow today.
वो फेलो नहीं है बेटा, ओ वो डॉग
Oh,
बेचारा।
my dog is poor. Sir, what? क्या
ओ
बोलूं?
पुअर डॉग,
Oh,
ओ डोडो पुअर
oh,
डॉग।
Dodo is poor dog.
या ऐसे बोल सकते हो, बोलो हमारे साथ, ओ
Oh,
दिस पुअर डॉग
this poor dog
is
is
facing
facing so much
so
pain.
much बेचारा कितने कष्ट सह रहा है। दोस्तों, ये जो सेंटेंस बोर्ड पर आप देख रहे हैं वह डर गई है, इसको ऋतु तुम बताओ किस चैप्टर में लिखोगे?
वह डर गई है। Sir, past perfect.
वेरी नाइस। पूनम, आर यू देयर?
Yes, sir.
पता है किस चैप्टर में जाएगा ये बात? रीना,
Sir, डर गई है तो this is not in past. No?
हाँ ये बात तो तय है, दिस इज नॉट इन पास्ट, है लगा हुआ। हाँ पूनम, तुम्हारा उत्तर हम दे रहे हैं। ये एक ऐसा चैप्टर है जो आमतौर पे प्राचीन काल से आपको अलग से कभी नहीं पढ़ाया जाता है, लेकिन हमने इसका एक पूरा वीडियो तैयार किया है। आप इनमें से किसी से भी रिक्वेस्ट करें व्हाट्सएप में कि प्लीज सेंड मी द वीडियो ऑफ बी चैप्टर, BEB. So they will send you, watch it again and again. Okay, तो हम, because time is up guys, I want to say see off.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
सर
God
एक्सक्यूज
bless
मी
you.
सर,
Yes.
सर स्केट के साथ हम ऑफ प्रपोजिशन,
किसके
स्केट
साथ?
ऑफ, ऑफ प्रपोजिशन
अभी
लगा सकते हैं।
पहले हम ये जानना चाहेंगे, ये वाक्य जो बोर्ड पे लिखा है वह डर गई है, ये दिया भी है
हाँ।
कि नहीं? फर्स्ट ये कह रही है
नहीं दिया। नहीं दिया।
नहीं दिया, तो जब हम देंगे तब इस पे चर्चा करें, है ना। अभी तो हमने दिया ही नहीं। आप इसको अभी रफ में लिख लें याददाश्त के लिए, और या सीधे जाके बी प्रेजेंट में लें एज यू विश। कल अपन इसको बनाएंगे प्रोसेस से, और प्रोसेस देखना पूनम। गॉड ब्लेस यू।
Thank you, sir.
थैंक यू सर।
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Hi. 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 हाँ, हम अकेले बच्चे सब भाग गए।